the arrest is related to participating in an unauthorized assembly on 5th of October on 2019, and also I received another charges of violating the draconian anti-mask law as well. The court hearing right now is scheduled at 30th of September, which is the day before Chinese National Day. And the reason behind that they would love to arrest me is they wish to generate the chilling effect and try the best to silence the voice of dissidents before the Chinese National Day.